Hi everyone, welcome back. Going to do a video on the Ford today. It's had quite a bit of work done by us. Going over everything. It should be going in for its MOT. Few things that we have found is that the rear wiper blade's no good and the washers don't seem to be fully spraying. We have worked out that they're leaking from around the washer bottle, so we'll change the rear wiper blade and then we'll get on to that there. So leave the car running up to temperature. I'll get the new wiper blade. Should be nice and easy with these where it just pops off because the car's been sat quite a bit. All of the metal in the wiper blade is no good, so we'll get rid of that. Click the new wiper blade on. No, we'll take the guard off for a start. It's always a good bonus. So now let's have a look into the washer bottle issue. Might be better turning the steering wheel the other way. So start taking the wheel arch out, which should be T30. It is T30. The wash bottle on these fills up from just inside the bumper just here, and then it sits behind the wheel arch in the front bumper. Yesterday when I was trying it, you've seen obviously quite a lot of fluid leaking from the bottom here, so I'm just trying to get enough room now to access the wash bottle, to which now if you try the washers, that it's all dry on here now. Can't even feel if and where it's leaking from.
Yeah, now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah, drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do.
there's a very good possibility that either the pump's not working correctly or it's blocked. The main worry that I have got is it's not leaking a lot of water down here. Right now. Yep. Give it a go. All right, check the rear. Bit of a pain in the backside to get to, but it did just look like obviously either the pump was slightly blocked or the seal around the bottom where the washer pump goes in. So all we've got left to do now, put this back on, fully test it, but yeah, should be ready to go for MOT. All be finalised, ready to go for MOT. Good things to keep an eye out for is making sure that all of your lights are working, all of your tyres and that are in good condition, your brakes are okay. We did notice with this one that one of the springs had snapped, so we've replaced that. Yes. Final thing left to do is to straighten the steering wheel. We'll do one final test. Get it moist in the process. Front one's definitely working. We'll do one final test in the rear. There we go. So yeah, a few minor things that we had to sort out on the Ford ready for MOT. I hope you've enjoyed the video and we'll catch you all in the next one.